Hello, this is our plan for our 6th grader. For math, she is doing teaching textbooks and study island mastery, and 2 standards had to be taught from the bridge. What I have here is how teaching textbooks lined up to study island when she was ready for each lesson, and which lessons I needed to teach. So far, we are about to prime factorization, and she's a little low on fractions, so we're probably going to get her some Spectrum workbook pages for next week and some more Khan Academy, some more B. Try and get there. But this is what we give them at the beginning of every year in their folder so that they know exactly what's expected each week, as well as what additional units have to be covered that teaching textbooks just isn't perfect at. I also provide a list of reading standards and math standards in their folder so that the parent and the child have an idea of why we're doing the things we're doing. I had this child in Apex all the way until October, but the mother wanted her moved over to Compass, so we moved her over to Compass, which does hit the standards much better than other curriculums. I'm just worried about retention, and we're still talking with the mom about ordering IXL, and she has not been too positive about it, but I'm still trying. I think she's struggling with Compass English, and I think that may open the way to get IXL on the table again. But her plan for English is Compass English, AR books, a book report, and Study Island Mastery. And there are no below grade level standards for her to do on the NWEA learning path. So we're just focused on this year's Study Island when we meet.